India, states and capitals. This is India on the world map. You can see India on the world map. India is located in the northern hemisphere according to latitudes and in the eastern hemisphere according to longitudes. This is northern hemisphere according to latitudes. This is northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere. According to latitudes, India is in northern hemisphere. According to longitudes, this is eastern hemisphere and this is western hemisphere. That means, according to longitudes, India is in eastern hemisphere. India is situated in the Asian continent. India is the 7th largest country in the world in area and occupies 2.4% of the world's land. India is the second most populous country in the world after China and is home to 17.5% of world's population. In India, there are 28 states and 8 union territories. Among 28 states, Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state in area. Among 8 union territories, Ladakh is the largest union territory and Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory in area. Among 28 states, Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state and Sikkim is the least populous state. Among 8 union territories, New Delhi is the most populous union territory and Lakshadweep is the least populous union territory. We can see these 28 states and their capitals on India map. This is Andhra Pradesh. Amaravati is the capital city of Andhra Pradesh. This is Telangana. Hyderabad is the capital city of Telangana. This is Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. This is Kerala. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital city of Kerala. This is Karnataka. Bangalore is the capital city of Karnataka. This is Goa. Panaji is the capital city of Goa. You know very well, this is the smallest state in area. Goa is the smallest state in area in India. This is Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra. This is Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital city of Gujarat. This is Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital city of Odisha. This is Chhattisgarh. Raipur is the capital city of Chhattisgarh. This is Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal is the capital city of Madhya Pradesh. This is Rajasthan. Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan. You know very well, Rajasthan is the largest state in area in India. This is Jharkhand. Ranchi is the capital city of Jharkhand. This is Bihar. Patna is the capital city of Bihar. This is Uttar Pradesh. Lucknow is the capital city of Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state in India. This is Uttarakhand or Uttaranchal. Dehradun is the capital city of Uttarakhand. This is Himachal Pradesh. Shimla is the capital city of Himachal Pradesh. This is Punjab. Chandigarh is the capital city of Punjab. This is Haryana. Chandigarh is the capital city of Haryana. That means Chandigarh is the combined capital of Punjab and Haryana. This is Sikkim. Gangtok is the capital city of Sikkim. Sikkim is the least populous state in India. This is West Bengal. Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. And this is Arunachal Pradesh, the sunrise state. Itanagar is the capital city of Arunachal Pradesh. And this is Nagaland. Kohima is the capital city of Nagaland. This is Manipur. Imphal is the capital city of Manipur. This is Mizoram. Aizawl is the capital city of Mizoram. This is Tripura. Agartala is the capital city of Tripura. This is Assam or Assam. Dispur is the capital city of Assam. This is Meghalaya. Shillong is the capital city of Meghalaya.